Hello, good morning, and welcome everyone to today's live trading session on July 7 from 2022, 9:24 a.m. Less than 6 minutes for the market to open and getting ready for a new day, new session, and hope to find you well. With the market right now on the green, we are watching Nasdaq futures. Nasdaq futures are up 0.3% to start today. We have also SP 500 up 0.42% to start today. And we are pretty much in the last couple of hours, pretty much on a tight range, okay? Between the support and the resistance, supply and demand. So now what? Now we wait. Okay, we had a big bounce from Tuesday. We caught the bounce nicely with AMD, with Tesla, with Amazon, all trades on Tuesday, and longs. Okay, and those worked very well. Now it's time to book some of the gains and raise the stops on the rest, and we will see. So now we waiting for what the hell is going to happen next. So bulls need above this morning and staying above this morning highs, and bears needs to push below the support, going into the next level and retesting the yesterday Fed minutes lows, and from there we see. So not trying to flip coins, trying to predict what the hell is going to happen, because really no one has a clue what will happen. So we will look for the leaders. Apple has been a leader this week, day 3 on the move up. What you do on day 3, 4, you start trimming your gains, raise the stops on the rest. So if you are long, you should be trimming. It's at 143 to start today. I want to see if it's able to hold 143. If yes, we have 144, and if extends, it has room to go all the way into 148, but we need to see it, okay? If it fails below 143, I'll be looking 142. I'll be a little more bearish if it breaks below 142. We have yesterday lows at 141, and below that 140 is the 8 and 21 day moving average. I'll be also looking for the semis, AMD, and gapping up this morning $77. We are long from 73, so plus $4 per share on the swing long-term account, and I already trimmed some above 77. So now we keep riding the momentum. Has room to go into 78. If extends, has room to go into $80 to fill the gap. But once again, we need to see it. I will use AMV and the semis with 3 minutes for the market to open right now. I'll be watching AMD and the semis to see if they hold the highs, okay? If they hold, AMD holds above 77 and goes, that is bullish. But if they sell below 77, all the way to fill the gap at 76.28, and if we go from green to red, then I'll be watching for some fading, some profit taking on the rest of the names. Amazon also exactly the same thing. We got long on Tuesday. Right now we are day 3 on the move up, so it's a tricky place. Above 115, if it goes, it has room to go into 118, but on the way up you should be trimming your gains. On IWM, also a focus stalled yesterday at the 21-day moving average, 173. I want to see if it's able to go above 173, can squeeze into 175, 178. But if it breaks below 171, I'll be looking yesterday lows 169. Below that, it has room to go into 168, 167. So something to keep on watch. I'll be watching also Meta, that yesterday, 2 minutes for the market open, guys. Yesterday we played some longs, those worked well. I tried to fade a little bit. I closed because it was holding the momentum, stalled exactly where it should, 171, 172. That's before entering the gap. So bulls needs above 172 to fill the gap at 175. Otherwise, if it right now 169, if it breaks below, you watch 165 yesterday lows. Microsoft is showing some relative weakness, is actually on the red. So keeping my highs, yesterday stalled at 268. It was the level from the June run, okay, June 27 run, stalled at 268.30 cents. Right now it's stalled at 268, is fading a little bit this morning. I want to see if it holds 265. If not, watch out, it has room to go 262, and 260 is where we find the 8 and 21 day moving average. Cubes, 1 minute for the market to open, guys. Cubes tell the 290, I want to see bulls needs above 291 to try to push into 295 to 96, but if they break below 288, okay, watch 285, and below that can go very ugly, lots of room to go into 280, 282. So I'll be pretty much watching Tesla also. If it holds $700, needs above 704 to go, can go $20, $30 up, but if they push back below $700, watch out, yesterday low 681. So 30 seconds for the market to open. It was a good week, yesterday a little bit tricky, so not going to risk much. Giving some time for the market to open to try to see a trade for cash flow. 15 seconds for market to open and entering trading mode. 10 seconds. 5, good luck guys. So the market open, we have Microsoft on the red, AMD gapping up, some of the names are gapping up. As I've been saying, on the way up you should be trimming NVDA, big move up, okay? But once again, on the move up you should be trimming your gains, okay? Boeing also, lots of gap ups to start the day. AMD going, Baba going, Boeing going, Amazon on the red. Amazon on the red, some weakness on Amazon, let's see. AMD bouncing, NVIDIA some fading. Tesla fading. AMD very, very strong. Okay, I got some puts on NVIDIA. I had some more puts on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA fading. I trimmed some on NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA fading. Here we go, NVIDIA fading. Trimming some above 2 on NVIDIA. Quick cash flow, let's see, giving some time here. Some profit taking. Some profit taking on the tech names. Here we go, NVIDIA fading. Microsoft on the red. AMD fading. Okay, some fading. Amazon fading. I trim some more on NVIDIA short. So Apple stalled. Apple stalled. Tesla pushing. Tesla trying. IWM still holding strong, but not chasing the move. Tesla Tesla pushing. Tesla pushing. Bull flow on Tesla. Tesla pushing, not chasing the move on Tesla. Amazon pushing. Amazon trying. Amazon pushing. I got some calls on Amazon. Okay, trying to have some patience here. Amazon, let's see if it goes. Okay, trying to have some patience. Trying to have some patience. Okay, let's see if Amazon goes. Amazon pushing, new highs on the day. Tesla going. Holding calls on Amazon with patience, also short on NVDA. Okay, trying to hold with patience Amazon calls, also the short on NVIDIA. Amazon going. Amazon going. Here we go on Amazon. Trimming some on Amazon, above 150. Okay, Amazon holding for now. Holding for now. I sold NVIDIA short. Holding for now Amazon long. Looking for possible re-entry on NVIDIA. MD pushing. Okay, still holding Amazon calls for now. IWM pushing hard. Meta fading a bit. Still holding here the Amazon calls. I got some puts on Meta. Okay, I have some puts on Meta and longs on Amazon. I had on Meta. So I'm trying to hold the Amazon calls and Meta short for now. So we are short on Meta and long on Amazon. Amazon going. Amazon going. Here we go on Amazon. Amazon pushing. Amazon pushing. Nice push on Amazon. Nice push. Come on. Here we go. A little bit more, guys. A little bit more. Come on. Amazon pushing. Here we go. I trim some on Amazon above 170. Okay, I sold Amazon, took the gains. Okay, big squeeze. So I took the gains on Amazon. Tesla, big move. Boeing also big move. Okay, I trimmed some on Meta. Boeing, big move. 142. If you are long, you should be trimming your gains, in my opinion. Okay, IWM fading. Meta fading. I got some puts on IWM. I trimmed some on Meta short. So right now I'm holding a short on IWM and Meta. IWM keeps pushing, keeps the squeeze. Okay, trying to have some patience. I head to the IWM. Amazon stalled. Amazon stalled. NVDA stalled. Amazon stalled at 115. Amazon stall and fading. Some bear flow on Amazon. Some bear flow on Amazon. Not sure if that will play out, but keeping my eyes. Apple big move, 145. So we are for now short on Meta and IWM. Meta goes red. Meta goes red. We are short on Meta and IWM, guys. Now, trying with patience, we will see. We are short on IWM and Meta. Okay, Meta going. Meta going. Trimming some above 90 cents. Okay, let's see with patience. We are short on Meta and IWM. I trim some on IWM. Now with patience we wait. Okay, IWM fading. So we are short on Meta and IWM. Okay, Meta fading. Needs below 168.8 on Meta to try to make new lows on the day. Trimming some more on AMD. AMD we got long last week, if you remember. We got long last week on AMD, so I trimmed some at $73. It's gapping up big time today. Very nice on AMD, guys. Very nice on AMD from last week. AMD going. AMD has a gap to fill at $80.43. Let's see if it fills. AMD going. Boeing stalled at 142. Right at the resistance level on Boeing. Okay, Boeing stall and some fading. Price is really extending up, but I don't like to chase, so not chasing these move ups. On the way up, you should be trimming your gains, in my opinion. There's a nice move from yesterday. Nice move on Tesla. AI spikes. I'm not chasing any of these moves up. AI. AI popping up. So we are short on Meta and IWM. Okay, Meta coming. Meta coming. Here we go on Meta, guys. Here we go. Come on, push. That's it. That's it. That's it. Trimming some at 1 on Meta. Well done, guys. Well done. So we are short on Meta and IWM. Nice short on Meta. Okay, AMD stall now near 79. So we are short on Meta and IWM, guys. Okay, here we go. Meta coming. New lows on the day on Meta. Great short. Here we go. Nice short, guys. Nice short. So we have 166 on Meta. Okay, we have 166 level on Meta. Meta coming. Meta coming nicely. New lows on the day. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay, trimming some more. 60% gains on Meta. Here we go. Rolling over. Woohoo! We coming. Okay. Nice, trimming some more above 120, 75% gains. Here we go. Now IWM fading. Nice, guys, nice. Come on. Come on, that's it. IWM fading nicely. So, yep, we are on track. Okay, trimming some on IWM above 140. Meta fading. Meta fading, nice short on Meta, guys. So let's see now where this is going to stop. Meta was rejected right at the 21-day moving average. Here we go. Come on, let's double, guys. Push a little bit more, let's double. Come on. Push it down. Go, 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 go. 10 cents, come on. 10 cents for a double. I trim some more on Meta. Come on. A few more for a double, guys. Okay, some more. So we have yesterday lows as level to watch on Meta. On Amazon goes green to red. So we are short on IWM and Meta. Both shorts working great. Boeing also fading from 142. That was the level on Boeing. That was the level. You need to watch for the supply and demand zones, guys. So if you remember, I gave you the trading plan, okay, and I said on Boeing above 138 to look for 140, 142 as the supply zone. It failed at 142 and 27 cents and coming down as we speak. On IWM, fades from 175 and coming. On Meta, I said it stalled at 171 yesterday, today once again, and our trade is making right now as we speak 85% gains. And yeah, let's look for the double, guys. Come on, need 10 cents down, 10 cents down. Come on, push. We have 166, one of the levels on Meta and the second one yesterday lows, okay, at 165.46 yesterday lows, and from there we see. On NVDA, if you remember, I started today looking for a short on NVDA. It squeezed some more just to shake things out. I closed the short, just coming all back. So you need to look for where is time to book gains, okay? And if you remember, I started today saying that if the time to buy was on Tuesday, okay? When we bought the dip on AMV at last week at $73. We took it, and I took gains all the way above 78. So it was a nice one. Actually, I trim at $78.70. Nice one so far. And yeah, it was a nice, keep riding, keep raising the stops. Eventually, if we reverse down, we have a gap to fill 76.28. But I'm holding on Meta. On Meta, it gave time. Okay, on Meta, it gave time to head to the shorts. We had to the shorts on Meta, so that was nice. So congratulations. Also on IWM, it gave plenty of time to head to the shorts. Now we see where the move is going to stall. Okay, Tesla trying to hold. Okay, if Tesla goes back below 715, watch out, can go well. I got some puts on Tesla, $5. Let's see. Okay, let's see with patience. We have Meta at the lows. We have Sam is fading. Okay, so watch out. So SPY fading. Okay, SPY stalled at 387s. I add to Tesla. Yeah, Tesla squeezing. Squeezy. Ahead to Tesla. Okay, Tesla coming. So we are short on IWM, Meta, and Tesla for now. Okay. Okay, here we go. Come on. I trimmed some on Tesla short. Now waiting with patience. So we are short on Meta, Tesla, and IWM. With patience, trying to hold with patience. AMD, some selling. AMD. Okay, AMD still near 79. We have a nice profit target. Now Let's see. I raised the stops on the rest, so gains are kept. I'm trying to be patient here with the rest of the trades. We are short on Meta, IWM and Tesla. I'm trying to be patient. Okay, IWM, some more fading. Okay, IWM fading. IWM fading. IWM needs below 174. $174 is the line in the SEN on IWM. Needs below 174. Okay, IWM coming. Okay, I sold Meta. I sold Tesla. I booked the gains. Now I'm trying to be patient here with the IWM. I'm holding IWM short. I'm holding the short on IWM. IWM fading. I'm holding the short on IWM for now. I got back on Tesla on Tesla short. I had some more. So we are short on IWM. I got back short into Tesla. Okay, IWM coming now. I have more on Tesla. So yeah, come on, here we go. IWM fading. IWM needs below 174. I booked the gains on Meta. I'm holding the short on IWM. IWM needs to break below 174. Nice short on IWM. We need lower, guys. Also on Tesla, I had once again to the short on Tesla. So I trimmed some on Tesla. Meta keeps fading. Was a nice short on Meta. I trimmed some on IWM. Meta keeps fading. So we are short on IWM and Tesla. Tesla coming. Come on, guys. Tesla needs below 715. Below 715 we can go back into $700. So we need a push back below 715. Meta new lows on the day. Come on, make new lows on the day. I lock the gains on Meta, but IWM, nice, very nice. Needs below 174. Below 174 we can go back into 170. Come on. So I'm trying to hold with patience. We are short on IWM and Tesla. We were short on Meta, but I locked the gains. But yeah, happy to see that Meta still heavy. We have a level at 166. Boeing, nice fading from 142. That was the level. Amazon, still heavy. Okay, Amazon making a double top to the penny. It's a lot of patience. Meta still heavy. Was a nice short on Meta. Was a nice short. Now I'm trying to be patient here with IWM and Tesla short. Not easy. Not easy. A lot of bidding here. With patience, a little bit more patience. IWM needs to break below 174. AMD 79. Jesus. Big pop on AMD. Nice. Very nice actually. AMD last week it was a great great entry. Okay. Trimming some at 79 and raising the stops on the rest on AMD. Nice from last week. There is still bid on the market, but honestly I believe that a pause would be healthy, especially when especially after such a strong move from Tuesday. Meta was a great short this morning. Meta was a great short. Rivian, some fading on Rivian. Some fading on Rivian. Okay, I sold IWM. Took the gains. Very, very choppy once again, the action. I sold Tesla. TD, some fading. I got some puts on TD. Got some puts on TD. TD, some fading. The market keeps squeezing up. Market keeps squeezing up. IWM pushing higher, Tesla pushing higher. Okay, on Meta bouncing now. I got some calls on Meta. I'm trying to bounce on Meta. Let's see if it bounces. I have more on Meta. Let's see if it bounces. Market still has some bid, so let's see if we bounce from the lows. But this market is a choppy mess right now. It's hard to go long, it's hard to short. BBBY, nice bounce. I had some more on Meta. So let's see if Meta catch a bid for the bounce. The rest of the market still with some bid. AMD push to the new highs, and now giving it all back. Market is a mess, guys. Market is a mess. I got back into Tesla puts. We are back into Tesla short. I had some more on Meta. Meta trying to hold the lows. Meta bouncing. Meta bouncing. Meta bouncing. Let's see. Meta bouncing. Let's see if we can push back up on Meta. A lot of bid on this market, so I sold TD. Market is really a mess right now. I had some more on Tesla. So I'm holding for now on Meta. Meta bouncing. So yeah, Meta going. It was a nice sale on Meta. Okay, let's see on Meta if it's able to go. Needs to push back above 171 on Meta to go. It has a gap to fill at 175. The morning short was good one. I sold Tesla. Now only holding Meta longs. Okay, giving it some time. Nice head on those longs. We bought those longs all the way into 31 cents. Yeah, the market keeps squeezing up. We try the shorts, but yeah, it's tough. It's tough. But it's also tough to chase names as we are seeing on Apple, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 days going up. It's tough. On AMD, we are long from last week. It was easier on AMD when we were down all the way below 73. Okay. Right now is a little bit tougher to head to the longs. I'm holding the longs from 73. I trimmed some today. Now trying to ride the momentum. If it holds, needs to go, and there's a gap to fill at $80.43. On Meta, we shorted out of the open. Why? Pretty much it made a lower high, but for now it's trying to hold here. So I start trying to buy the dip. There is a relentless bid on this market. Okay, so I start buying the dip on Meta. Now let's see. Needs to go back above 169.50 and above that above 171 to try to fill the gap at 175 as a gap to fill at 175. We bought the calls all the way into 31 cents. Right now they are above 43 cents as we speak. So yeah, let's see. With patience. I was looking for some fading, but the market keeps ranging up. Amazon goes back into the green. Amazon goes back into the green. Amazon goes back green. It made a double top here to the penny, 115.48, but did not make so far a new low. So that's pretty much the same thing that I'm looking here on Meta. That's why we bought those calls. If things do not go down, what you do, you look for the other side of the trade. Why? Because when sellers start seeing that the move does not goes down, okay, stock does not goes down, then they start covering, okay, and from there we look for something that we are seeing right now on Meta, okay. We start seeing that if things does not go down, they start covering the lows held so far, and they start edging and they start buying calls, and yep, we bought the dip at 31 cents. Right now we are at 47, okay. I'm trying to be patient here with Meta. Let's see if we are able to go from red to green. Same thing that happened with Amazon, okay. Okay, Meta pushing. Okay, here we go, Meta pushing. Meta pushing. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh boy. Nice gains. Here we go. Meta pushing. I'm trimming some at 50 cents. So basically on Meta we bought calls. I can put here the chart. So we were able to get fills at 31 cents. So those were the lows of the day, okay? So basically you put the orders on the bid, wait, okay? You put the orders at the lows, you wait, and yeah, we were able to get fill some at 31 cents. Right now they are at 49. I already trimmed some at 50. So if we go from a red to green, yeah, why not? This can go all the way above $1. So now we are making 50% gains as we speak. So yeah, IWM we tried to short, that did not work, and actually worked here, but it was tough. So we closed the short, and Tesla also the same. We tried the fade, did not happen. On the first one it actually worked great, but yeah, it held 715. So right now it's a little bit tougher. So I'm not holding any position on Tesla, because it can extend, it can go all the way into 715. Why not? Meta coming. Nice on Meta, guys. Meta pushing. Okay, now crank all the way up, squeeze it. The market is squeezing up, squeeze it. So we played short, now we playing the bounce on Meta. Traders trade, okay, so I really don't care where the market is going next. We just try to be on the right side of the wave. So we had the first attempt to break down. If you see here, This was a support from yesterday with once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, did not break. When things do not break, shorts start covering and boom, here we go. Going now, guys. Come on, let's go for the double. Let's go for the double. Meta almost green. Meta almost green. Meta going. Here we go. Meta going. Push. Meta goes red to green. Here we go, guys. Come on. Come on. If meta goes above, okay, this is the level. If meta goes above 171, watch out. Gap fills at 175. So shorts try to push it down. We helped. Okay, we helped. We bought puts, so we helped shorts to push it back down. But they tried several times to, okay, here, to push it down, not able to do it. We start buying the dips, okay, with calls 175 at 32 cents. I can put here the chart for you, okay. We start buying these calls here all the way into 31 cents. So it was a nice head. Right now we are at 59.60 cents, okay. And I'm going to trim some. Here we go. I'm trimming some above 60 cents as we speak. Okay, 63. Here we go. Here we go, guys. And yeah, we doubled. We doubled. We doubled, guys. We doubled. Here we go. Meta going. You are seeing the chart on our contracts 67. Okay, looking to fill some more at 70 cents. Come on, push. Okay, let's go back into the meta. Yeah, meta pushing. Needs above 171. Meta going. Come on, guys. I'm trimming some more, 65. Nice one. Nice one. So now let's see. Higher low so far on meta compared to yesterday. Okay, we tried the short. That did not work. Okay, so you don't be stubborn. What you do, you close the short, and if they are buying the dip, if things does not go down, you start buying the dip. So that's exactly what we did. Okay, and boom, here we going. Here we go. So right now our calls are making 100% gains, and if they want to squeeze it, the target on meta is actually 175, all the way up here. Why? We have a gap to fill on meta at 175. Is it going there? No clue. No one can really predict. What we know is that we tried early in the morning, we tried to fade IWM. We got some cash flow here on the fade, but the momentum kept holding, okay? So they held, I said that IWM needed below 174. They held above 174 and squeeze up. So on Tesla, pretty much the same. I said that it needs below 715. They held 715 and squeeze. Okay, on meta We shorted Meta, we got very nice cash flow on the Meta short. I closed the short, and when I start seeing that they were not breaking down, okay, and it was actually holding this support line from yesterday, I basically start buying the dip with calls, because as I've been saying, if it does not break down, shorts start covering the position, and that's exactly what you are seeing, okay? Shorts start covering the position, goes back above the open, goes red to green, now needs to make new highs on the day, okay? And above 171, watch out, gap filling at 175. So yeah, the run can be pretty much insane. So far we doubled the money, now we wait. Amazon, okay, Amazon pretty much the same. I'm not heading to the trade, but Amazon is pretty much the same, okay? They tried several times here to break below and make new lows on the day. We had the lows at 113.49, not able to break. If things does not break lower, what they go, short start covering. If it goes above 115, watch out for a big short squeeze. So now I'm holding Meta. It's pretty much that. I'm holding Meta for now. Yeah, but not easy. Not easy because it's hard to chase when the stocks are getting extended. Apple, for example, day 4 on the move. AMD I'm still holding, okay? I trimmed some, but we got long on AMD last week, okay? Here on when we were at 72, I got long at $73. I held the position, and yeah, I already trimmed some today and riding the rest, raising the stops. We have a gap and go here on AMD, and gap on AMD fills at $80.43. Amazon, they made the double top pretty much to the penny here, 115.48. But if it breaks below, so that's the level to break. If it breaks below 115, you watch 117, 118 on Amazon. Boeing stalled where it should, 142, failed, but held. Okay, so this is your support line. Bulls needs above 142. Now what? You wait. Baba, big squeeze. Okay, not chasing the move, but big squeeze. IWM exactly the same. Honestly, I don't like to chase, so I'm not chasing the move. We tried to short. I don't want to get caught here, so I'm waiting. Okay, as I've been saying, IWM needs below 174 to go back into 172, 170. Did not happen. On Meta, we are right now, as we speak, making 100% gains on the calls. We played the short. Now, as it was not breaking down, we bought the calls for playing up. Working well. Microsoft stalled 269. But once again, hard to short. TLT keeps fading. So that was one of the things that I was looking. It was for the fade on tech, but did not happen. And meta going, guys. Beautiful on meta. Meta squeezing. Here we go. So putting back here the chart on the calls. Here we go, 73 cents. So don't forget, this is the call. Okay, the call, trimming some more. Okay, trimming some more above 70 cents. So this is the call that we got on Meta. We bought here, okay, all the way from 35 cents to 31 cents. And yeah, right now I trim some above 70 cents. Keep riding, more than a double. Microsoft fading now. Now what? It's a short or not? That's the tricky part as we speak. Apple, it's extended and fading a little bit, but it's a short or not? Okay, in my opinion, Apple needs below 145 for the short. Otherwise, no. AMD. So now I'm riding Meta calls and we will see. With patience, guys. We doubled, so we have room. Okay, Meta needs above 170, 171 to go. Okay, Meta going. Those Meta calls, guys, can go all the way above $1. Okay, they can go all the way above $1, $1.30. They are at 70 cents. We got those at 35, 31, and they are at 72. So we more than doubled. And yeah, they can go all the way into one. If extends $1.30 or even higher, no one really knows. But yep, so far so good. I'm with patience, lots of patience. Sometimes it's hard because this market is tough, but yeah, trying to be patient. The gap on Meta fills at 175, all the way up here. So above 171, above today highs of today, can try yesterday highs of today, and above that fill the gap at 175, all the way up here. But need to go. So far so good, keep riding. Okay, Boeing bouncing. Boeing made a low held, holding above the... Yeah, it can squeeze now on Boeing. Pretty much the same on most of the names. It's hard to chase. Okay, that's why I did not bought the green. Okay, if you notice, what did I bought? I bought the weakness. Okay, I shorted strength. Okay, on the move up on Meta when I was seeing a lower high. I shorted Meta, we played, but then we bought the dip. Okay, we bought the red, playing for a red to green move, and that played well on Meta. A red to green move, we double the money. Now we wait to see what the hell is going to happen next. So far on Meta, needs to hold above 169. On Amazon, pretty much the same, 115. So here was the level on Meta. It held over and over again, and then we start buying the calls doubled. Now we wait, staying bullish while above 169, needs above 171 to go into 175. IWM very bullish. WM now can run all the way into 178. I'm not chasing. The short on IWM needs below 174. Did not happen. Meta keeps pushing. Need a push here, guys. Need a push. Need a pop to make new highs on the day. Okay. Meta trying. Okay, here we go. Meta trying as we speak. I'm zooming in the chart. Here we go. Okay, here we go. That's it. Push. So this session is being recorded, guys. So you are watching this live, but this session is being recorded, so you can watch it on YouTube. Okay, and I trim some. You can watch it on YouTube, and so you can understand what I was looking for, and the reason for the long on Meta, actually the short on Meta, and the long on Meta, and yeah, I can show you here the chart. Okay, I can show you here the chart on the calls. We were buying calls down here from 35 cents to 31 cents. I trimmed some at 75 cents. Okay, it's at 75 cents as we speak. 76 and keeps going. Yeah, now we wait. We're riding slowly, taking profits on the way. We more than doubled, so we are good. Now we wait. Needs new highs on the day, and above that goes to fill the gap at 175 all the way up here, but needs to go. NVDA, I was looking for the fade, no good. Very powerful right now. Gap and go, I was looking for the gap to fill, today gap to fill, did not fill, so 153.19. New gap open on NVIDIA. The other gap on NVIDIA, okay, NVIDIA has a gap to fill at 159. So yeah, guys, the session is getting a little bit extended, so I'm closing the live trading session. Okay, we are holding as we speak. We are holding the calls. Okay, the calls on Meta. Okay, these calls from 35 to 31 cents all the way into 70 cents plus as we speak. Okay, I'm holding. I trimmed some already at 75 cents. Okay, and it's pushing. The stock is pushing. Let's see, 75 cents and keeps going. Okay, so I trimmed some on Meta, and that's the only position that I'm holding right now. We bought the dip heavily. Okay, on those calls on Meta. Now slowly taking profits on the way up. So I already explained you the trading plan. Needs to make new highs, okay, on the day, going above yesterday highs, and above that we can go into 175 to fill the gap on Meta, okay. So yeah, I'm closing the live trading session and holding the longs here on Meta. I will keep you updated on Discord, so stay tuned on Discord. I will let you know when I close my entire position on Meta. So far we are making 130% gains as we speak on those calls, so very nice. And yeah, that's it for now. Stay tuned on Discord. If you want, you can review the longs and the shorts and the trades that we did today, and actually this Meta trade, because Meta we played short. Okay, we played short early in the morning. I already explained you why. If you missed, once again, we shorted on the lower high intraday, lower high versus yesterday high. We played the short when we were seeing that they tried several times, and we were on the bear camp, guys. When they tried several times to break it down, did not break down. So that's why I closed the put, head to the long, start buying calls, and right now more than double. Okay, so now keep riding until the momentum stalled, or we either fade and we book all the gains. Okay, so yeah, good luck, guys. See you all later, and stay tuned on Discord. Bye bye.